Good evening, Philippines. This is Mike Padua, and we're back to our latest analysis, and this is the weekend edition of our update. This is for the first day of June until the third day, 2024, Saturday through Monday. This is our English version, brought to you by Typhoon2000 and Naga College Foundation in partnership with Aboitiz Power, Bank of the Philippine Islands, Sustainable with You. There's a link up on the upper right corner of the video. If you're interested, just click on the link. And also, if you're watching via Facebook, just go to the description of this video to go to the website of BPI. And also, Avenue Plaza Hotel, one of the finest hotels here in Bicol region in Naga City. The local government of Naga City, headed by our Honorable Mayor Nelson Legacion, and our Honorable Congressman of the 3rd District of Camarines Sur, Congressman Gabby Bordado. Let's begin with our update. Here's the quick view of our graph set that we created early this afternoon. This is for the next 48 hours until Saturday. As you can see, the storm Ewinyar, or local name Aghon, is no longer in sight. It has become a frontal system way up here outside of the screen. Okay, and we have another quick development of a low pressure system, which we mentioned on the usual graph set, and it's already has a name. It became MALIKSI. That's a Filipino name for swift or active or alert. Okay, and it became a tropical storm prior to making landfall over southwestern Guangdong or western Guangdong, and it's now just a tropical depression, and as we speak, it's just a low pressure area moving into the northern or inland portion of Guangdong province in southern China, just north of Hong Kong. So this system will still enhance some southwesterly to westerly winds as it connects to a very long frontal system. This is also known as a major front. Okay, and the remnants of MALIKSI will become a part of this frontal system, and it could become another low pressure system just like this one, and it will emerge over the coastal waters of northern Taiwan and passing close to Okinawa, probably on Monday or Tuesday. So this could become a subtropical low, and it's no longer a tropical cyclone, but we are going to observe this system if it regains tropical characteristics. Okay, and here over the Philippine Islands, we have a weak high pressure cell here, which we didn't mention anymore since it's just a weak system, and it's giving some very nice weather, hot conditions with heat index reaching a high of just a little bit more than 50 degrees. And in the afternoon or evening, there's a few or some thunderstorms that could form. So for the next 2 days, on Monday, we could experience some westerly winds over Batanes and the extreme northern parts of Luzon. Some thunderstorms will be expected. So currently we are on a monsoon break. In the next 5 to 10 days, there might be another system forming here or over to the West Philippine Sea, and that could again enhance the southwest monsoon. But so far, everything is quiet. We are still reeling the effects of the El Nino, although we are now on the neutral conditions. So the effects of El Nino will still continue. Maybe until July or August. So it means that the rainfall is below average. Okay, here's the track of the all agencies monitoring MALIKSI, and as of 6 p.m. last night, as of 6 p.m. This evening, it's already here over to the northwest of Hong Kong, and it's already almost 12 midnight of June 2, and it's likely it's currently here, and it will move towards the east. Okay, and it will move towards the east as it connects on the frontal system. Here's the fast animation. There you go, the remnants of tropical storm MALIKSI, and this will move towards here and along with the frontal system. Some thunderstorms are forming as of this time. It's already 12 midnight of June 2, Sunday, and there are strong thunderstorms affecting Zamboanga Peninsula, portions of northern Mindoro. There's also a small one here just north of Naga and over Marinduque, northern Negros and eastern Panay. There's a thunderstorm forming here as well. So everything's quiet across the Philippine Islands, just light easterly winds blowing across the Bicol region, eastern Visayas by tomorrow, Sunday. Okay, or later this afternoon. It's already Sunday, and southwesterly to westerly winds will persist over the northern islands of Luzon, Batanes, Babuyan Group. Okay, and here's the remnants of tropical storm MALIKSI, becoming a subtropical low as it connects to the frontal system. And on Monday afternoon, that frontal system, or the subtropical low, once MALIKSI, is now moving to the southeast of Okinawa. And you can see the elongated nature of the system. It's really a subtropical, becoming a part of the frontal system. While still everything is quiet across the Philippine Islands, light winds from the west will be expected over Visayas and western sections of Luzon. And on Tuesday, June 4, there you go, the remnants of MALIKSI moving away. And we have another front here, probably a stationary front. Okay, and the tail end over these areas. So we expect some showers here along this line. Okay, everything is still quiet, nothing unusual, extraordinary with our weather. There's a low pressure here over the coast of Hanoi, but it's not expected to develop for the next 3 days. So for the next 5 to 10 days, it's still quiet, nothing unusual. We'll keep you updated in the coming days. And here's the rain forecast for the next 3 days until Tuesday. So tomorrow, so later this afternoon, Sunday, we expect here a possible thunderstorms in various sections of Luzon, including Bicol, Panay, Mindoro, Palawan, and southern Mindanao. And Tuesday afternoon, again, there might be some showers and thunderstorms in various sections of the country. And on Tuesday afternoon, the same situation. And here's the frontal system that could generate some thunderstorms over the northernmost parts of Luzon. And for the rainfall accumulation forecast, most of the rainfall are located over the southern portions of the Philippine Islands, over Palawan, Sulu Archipelago, Mindanao, some portions of Visayas, and the northernmost parts of Luzon. Northern and western Luzon will also have some isolated rain showers in the afternoon or evening. Okay, that includes we'll also have isolated rain showers and thunderstorms in the afternoon or evening. And if you take a look at the wave forecast, everything is still good until Tuesday. So wave heights here will be from 0.5 to just more than 1 meter, while here it's around calm to half meter, and as well as here up to just a meter in wave height. So everything is good for fishing and sea travel. So there you go, that's the quick update for this weekend. Everything is warm and sunny, nothing unusual. So there you go, that's the latest, and we will turn again on Tuesday or Monday to give you the very latest on the weather here in the Philippine Islands and the Western Pacific. From Typhoon 2000, this is Mike Padua saying, happy weekend to all, stay safe always, and thank you so much for watching our channel. God bless to all.